I just love food. I'm a gourmand. Gourmand. It's a new word that I've learned, and it's a lover of food and wine. And it's created in the 15th century from the word gourmet, which was French, and the word glutton. So they incorporated both those words together and created gourmand. 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 And it's a lover of food and wine. And that I am. I'm not a connoisseur, I'm a lover of food and wine. And I love to share that with you. So we're going to keep going on with this summer pasta salad and see the next steps. Have a look at this chorizo with the peppers. I wish you could smell the flavours, the pepper and the cheese and the sausage of the Kransky. Keep calling it chorizo, it's Kransky, the same sort of thing. And the onion, the red onion makes it sweet. Now we're going to make the delicious sauce, the base of how we're going to coat the pasta. And I'm a bit excited because I'm experimenting, and you're the first to see this experiment. But I know it's going to have flavour, because it's all about flavour. With food, it's so important that flavour enters in when you're preparing, and you open up the palate of your mouth and the creative side of your brain, and you start to think, I wonder how that will go, or I wonder what that will do. So it opens up